Your pressure washer works hard for you every day, keeping equipment, facilities, and fleets clean, safe, and ready for action. But even the toughest machines need regular care to perform at their best. That's where scheduled maintenance comes in. Over time, pressure washers gradually lose heat and pressure. Cleaning takes longer, uses more detergent and energy, and costs more in labor. Even a small drop in performance can mean significantly more time spent cleaning, and that adds up fast. A scheduled maintenance program keeps your entire cleaning system working to spec, including the pump, motor, burner, hoses, nozzles, filters, fittings, and detergent delivery system. Every component impacts performance. During each visit, a trained technician completes a comprehensive 24-point service inspection. Pump pressure, voltage, burner combustion, thermostat cycling, belts, seals, hoses, and filters are checked and adjusted as needed. An oil change is included, and issues are caught early before they turn into costly downtime. With scheduled maintenance, you get better performance, longer equipment life, and fewer surprises. It's not just maintenance, it's an investment in uptime and peace of mind. Protect your pressure washer. Protect your operation. Trust Hotsy, Minnesota to keep you running.